Hello everyone, welcome to DougNutGames. My name is Doug, and this is Foundry. Welcome. We're doing a new series here. Now, I don't know how long this series is going to last, and let me back up for just a second to mention a couple of things. This does not fit, it does not fit my channel kind of profile on YouTube, which is basically survival, crafting, open world, that kind of thing. I mean, it sort of fits, but we're going to see how that goes. I don't know that it's going to get the exposure that it needs in order to survive on my channel, but I want to try it. I also want to try it because I'm very interested in it. Here's why. Now, I mean, it's not stellar reviews on this game, but pretty good reviews. You see, I like that kind of, that Factoro, satisfactory type of game. Now, Factoro, I'm not as fond of because I like first person. So you'd think, well, Satisfactory should be right up your alley. And it was. I played a little bit of it, and I may do a series down the line if this one works out. I may do a series of Satisfactory. What I don't like about Satisfactory is that I go back in and I play on the exact same map again and again and again and again and again, which leads me to building in the exact same spot over and over and over and over, because I figured, well, I don't know, this seems like the best place to build. This one is first person, and it is procedurally generated. Now, you're not going to get any of the really interesting land developments that a handmade map is going to offer you, but I think you get other things. And so this is why I'm very interested in this game. There's no other game that really kind of fits that exact that exact description. I did play a bit of Dyson and enjoyed it, but again, it's not really first person. So anyway, we're gonna see how this goes. Enough talking. Talk. Let's get into it and see what we can get up to. So suffice to say, we're going to start a series. I don't know how long the series is going to go. It may be very short, but we're just going to leave all those settings at their standard settings and dive in and see what Nutland has to offer here. I started it up a little bit just to see how
Welcome, operator. I'm Carl, your facility
loud.
management artificial intelligence. This resource-rich moon has been selected for the Foundry initiative with the goal of converting it into a manufacturing hub. Construction work has already started, and many teams, just like us, have been deployed with their initial assignments. Our task is to establish mining and smelting operations to ensure a steady supply of essential metals. My goal is to assist you in setting up this factory. Let's run a few basic checks before we get started. Open your map to check your surroundings.
Map.
Fantastic. There are several ore patches in the vicinity.
You did that
Equip
really
your ore
well.
scanner from the inventory and use it to locate the ore patches.
Okay. So inventory, we're going to go into... Inventory is a little different. It's C for inventory. I suppose I could change that to I. I might. We'll see. See how that goes. That actually, what I just did, it was like, okay. What
to get started,
is the scanner?
approach both
What's
of the ore
inventory?
patches and mine some more.
There you go. There's some of that. And there's some of that right over there. So we're really close. Again, we're really close to both. Hey there, buddy. How you doing? You're not going to suddenly open a giant maw and and eat me I'm going to get a little bit more than I need. I'm going to clear off all this top stuff. Way more than I need, I guess, eh? Oh well. Okay. Clear off all the top, because I know that I have to build a platform on this in a second. I didn't go very far, but I did build a little bit of a platform there. I just kind of wanted to see how this looks and feels. And it's pretty good. I like it.
Great! Now that we have an initial supply of ore, we need to smelt it into plates and rods. Go back to your drop pod and use the built-in smelters to create your first crafting materials.
Okay. I will do that in just a momentito. Now, the one thing that I thought about with regards to this is how much am I going to include in the on-screen of YouTube, and I'm going to include most of it. So we'll see how that goes, whether that changes or not. But okay, so we want to go back over here. We're going to insert that, and we're going to insert that. We want 10 of those.
Now that we have basic materials available, we should start crafting building blocks which act as a foundation for other buildings. To do so, you need to open the crafting menu and click the desired items. Then, place them in the shape of a platform next to one of the ore patches.
Okay, so...
The orange ore will be in higher demand. I suggest starting with that.
Okay, we'll do that. So B, that's my inventory. Okay. So C is my crafting here, which is a little unintuitive. Not well designed. But so we got structures. So we've got crates and building blocks. We've got, what have we got? Machine parts, wire coil, electronic components, mining drills, of course, ore scanner, right? End products, plates and rods. Okay, so what we want to start with is this. And we can only do 10 of them. Okay. And we want to make 30. So we're going to make this we're going to go 6. Oh, I see. Yeah, we're going to go 6 by 5. Right? So we'll start there. There, and we'll go grab some more. Take 40 of those. Take 42 of those. We're going to top that up and top that up. Excellent. Okay, and then we go into our inventory. No, crafting. Now, if I right click or left click, So that builds... Wow, it just builds tons of it, eh? Okay, so if I left click, it just builds one batch. There. And there.
To automate ore extraction, we need to set up a drone miner. Craft one and place it on top of your foundation right next to the ore patch.
Right next to the ore patch. The ore patch. We will do that. So this is our new drone miner. We don't have enough materials for that. So we do have okay. Really? So plates, we need 10 plates. Ah, I see. Yes. We can't do plates because we don't have any more. Where am I? Over here. Grab another 40 of these. And 40 of those. We've got enough now. Okay, so we want this guy. So it goes through all the sub-processes first. So right now it's making a lot of wire, and that's handy. Okay, so, and then we want to rotate that. I'm going to go there.
Drone miners and most other buildings require power to function.
Of course they do.
Let's build a biomass generator on the same foundation as the drone miner. Once built, you need to harvest some plants and trees with your mining drill to collect biomass. Insert the biomass into the generator and it will start to power all buildings on the same foundation as the generator.
I see. Okay. Biomass burner. That's this guy here. One biomass burner. Place the biomass burner. And then get vegetation and put it into the... Okay. Ah. I'm going to put this guy over here. Right here. Excellent. Excellent. Yes. Okay, so now we need to mine vegetation. Oh, wow. Well, you get it pretty quick, don't you? Now, can you do more than trees? Can you do... Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Getting carried away there. No, not plants, apparently. Not little plants. You can do trees, but not little plants. What about this guy? Yeah. Did that show up as biomass? Did it say biomass? Let's go do this. Yes, 12 biomass. Okay, gotcha. Okay, so missing fuel. Manage inventory. Ah, I see. Okay. Throw that in there.
Go watch your mining drones acquire your first automated ore. Aren't they beautiful? Anyways, we need to get going. Let's build a smelter next.
Okay. No, I want to watch these guys go. Maybe I shouldn't have made it right over top of it like this. Okay. All right, and so now we've got, what have we got in here? We've got 36. 40. Oh, nice. It's going up quick. Okay, smelter. So we want a smelter. There it is right there. And place the smelter on the foundation. Making all the subparts first. I'm probably doing all this wrong, but
the inbuilt drop pod smelter, so you should start using this from now on.
Okay.
Another benefit is that we can automate the smelters to make our life easier. For this, you need to connect the drone miner to a smelter by using loaders and conveyor belts.
Uh-oh.
Let's start by crafting the required machines. 2 loaders, 1 for the smelter and 1 for the drone miner, as well as a few belts to connect them. While you're crafting those, I will notify Mission Command on our progress.
Ooh.
Communication link establishment failure. Curiously, I find myself unable to make contact with Mission Command. It could be a technical anomaly. I shall persist in my attempts.
Okay, you persist. You carry on, buddy. So what do we need here? We need 2 loaders. These are the loaders here. Low voltage grid requires foundation. We don't have enough machinery parts. And machinery parts is done with that stuff. Okay, well, we've got that stuff processing here somewhere. There we are. Yeah. Oh, hello. Okay, this is interesting. So we need, what are we doing? Loaders. 2 of those, please. Craft 2 loaders and craft 20 conveyors. That's these guys. Okay. I'm just going to continue to throw stuff into here for now. For a little bit. We want to do 20 conveyors, eh? 19. Ah, okay, we're close. It's getting dark. Okay, so we want 20 of the flashlight. Learn about a flashlight. F1 to open database page. Flashlight. For better vision at night, your robot comes with an integrated flashlight. The button indicator for it can be found at the bottom right of the screen. The default key is L. Excellent. So we want 20 of these. That's 2. Okay.
You have the machines necessary to connect the drone miner to the smelter. Now, attach a loader to each machine and connect them with conveyor belts.
Okay.
The mission control link remains
F2.
non-responsive. Our objective is near completion and immediate guidance from Mission Command is required.
First production line. To automate your first production line, you need to attach a loader to both the drone miner and the smelter. Afterwards, place the conveyor belts from the output loader drone miner to the output loader smelter. A loader. Ah, I see. Gotcha. Okay, I think I gotcha anyway. So we take this loader. I see. And loader here to there. And then if we go into here and we put this, we want it, no, we don't want it to do that. We want it to go from here to there.
Great. We connected the machines and have automated the tedious process of moving items by hand. Isn't automation great?
It sure is.
Now it's time to scale up and build more smelters. A single belt full of ore can feed multiple smelters using the power of loaders. The info database has a diagram if you need one. A loader only adds enough items at a time to a machine to ensure it doesn't stop. This makes it easy for you to have multiple machines fed by a single long belt.
Right. Okay, 1. Place 4 smelter. What? Place 1 of 4. Place 4 smelters. Oh really? For this? Or alone? Are you kidding me? That's okay, we're done over here, right? We'll grab those and we'll grab those and that'll be the end of that. I feel like this is done very poorly. I wonder if I can just line them up this way. Like so. Can I do that? And just make another smelter and another smelter and another smelter. We're going to try it because, you know. Oh. Not enough smelter in inventory. Interesting. Okay, so what'll we do here? Go into here. One, two, three. And then we're going to need some more loaders. We're going to need 3 more loaders. Right.
We have completed our initial mission of setting up a smelting facility. We've done a great job, haven't we?
I don't think so.
At this point, we should have received further instructions, but something is blocking our communications. I think we'll have to improvise. My archives contain a blueprint for a research server. Through material analysis, I should be able to provide an emergency beacon blueprint. Let's get going and build a research server.
No. No, I don't want to do that. Oh! No, that's correct. They're correct. We want to go like that. There we go. There we go. Now we're cooking. A research server. Now, are we getting holes built in here? No holes. I should do the same over on the other one though, right? A research server. Can we have these output? Intake. I bet we can have these output. Now, wonder... Oh, okay. I could maybe output them on the back side. Yeah. But first off, maybe I should do this. Maybe I should follow what they're saying here. Let's see, what do we got in our inventory right now? We want to... Let's put some more of this happening. I want more. I need more. More. Okay. I'm just going to grab what you have here. And we're going to make some more of these things. More of these. Just so I got a bit more room here to work. Yeah. That'll do for now. Okay, so we want to build a research server, hey? How do we do that? Crates, smelter. Science. Science! A research server and a science pack. Excellent. Place it. Oh, wow. It's big. We'll put it there.
To advance in research, you will need to build science packs.
Ah.
Craft a few by hand and insert them into the research server to research the emergency beacon blueprint.
Emergency beacon blueprint. Okay. So if we want to craft these suckers by hand, we can do 3. We can do 4. With the stuff we have on us right now. They take a while to make. So what does this call? Machinery parts and rods. So we'll need to get our rods manufacturing up and going. We're going to need to also put these into crates, gather the output into crates. So I don't know if they cover that, but manage inventory. Ah, we did it. Research emergency beacon, research interface. Oh, nice. Lots of stuff to research. I like that. That's what the assembler... Oh, I see. Emergency beacon. Start research. Make it so. Engage. So far, so good. So far, so good. Yeah. Character improvement. Assembler. Basic infrastructure. I see. Shows it strained. So we're going to need some more power here. How much, oh, yeah, right. How much do we have in here? We might need to get a bit more going there, I think.
Got it. We now have the emergency beacon blueprint. Craft it and place it, but not too close to your existing machines. Those rescue parties tend to land right on top of the beacons.
Oh, okay. That would be over here. Conveyor slopes. Nice. Blast resistance. Size 5x5. Holy cow. I see. You kind of need a little bit of space for that sucker. Okay, well, do we need to... What if we place it right there?
Great. Now you might want to take a step back and look up.
I see.
A real groundbreaker. This corporate command companion bureaucrat bot, C3BB for short, will help us establish a connection with Mission Command. First, let's help him out of that drop pod by deconstructing and placing it in a safe location.
Deconstructing it? You mean I got to do this? Nope. Deconstructing it, eh? Dismantle the drop pod. F2. Dismantle the drop pod. Enter demolition mode. Key F. Okay. Okay. And now we need to place the hub. You know what I'm thinking about is getting some more... I'm going to do a few other things first. We're going to do something like that, and then we're going to go into here and grab this stuff. And fill that up. Works kind of just like I would have anticipated that it would work, which is great. Excellent. Now we can expand this, which is what I want to do. Let's see, how much of that do we have? Not very much. So we're going to build a bunch more of that. Oh, we need some rods, though. And that is a bit of a problem. So we're going to need to... I think I have screwed myself a little bit. Yeah, I need a lot. Rubble. Now I wonder if that's a problem here. Oops. I think what we need to do... That's going to be up higher though, right? It's going to be one level higher. We need to get this guy going. Definitely. I wonder if these ever... Do they ever go away? Like how much is in this? Doesn't really say anywhere here, hey? Get a bunch more in there. Okay, yeah, we need to get this guy going. So, interesting. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work. Let's build it's those technum rods that's the problem, eh? No, we're going to do it the same way. That's 5. We're going to go out to 6. We're going to make it 30, exactly the same, basically. And then we're going to make... We need a drone miner. And for that we need electronic components. Where am I here? Drone miner. And power. We're going to need power too. Like so, no power. And so we need to make a power doodle, biomass burner. We need pretty much everything now. The other stuff we can get tons of. Throw that in there. And then we'll get some of this. What's going on? No power. Ah, okay. That's not a problem. Okay. Now, we probably... Oh, you can't even access it. Isn't that interesting? Your materials is gone. How much do we have in our inventory, by the way? We got a bit more. There we go. Now, let's just make sure we're not overloading ourselves. They're not. I don't think we are. Okay, good, good, good. Got all sorts of that stuff. Okay, now we need to make biomass burner. Still need more rods. Come on, people. Will that be enough? Yes, it will. Biomass burner. Get this guy going, and that'll at least give us some materials here for this. Like so. And we're going to grab a bit more. Basically clear cutting here. We can get more. We're going to need to get rid of all this stuff in between anyway. Excellent. Now they will start getting that stuff. Yay! And then we need to make this nice and big so we can replicate what we got going on over here. Oh! It's not making it to the end. Oh yeah, no. Yeah, it's not making it to the end anymore. Why is that, I wonder? It's okay. I might just disable this last one if I can. If I go into F, demolish this, demolish that, demolish that, demolish that. Take it down to just 3. That'll be plenty. And now we should have lots of stuff over here. We'll grab that. And we're going to build a smelter. Really? With all the stuff that I just pulled up, we can't do electronic components? Oh, right, I think. That'll be fine. Okay, so in order to, we're going to need lots of this, so we'll need the rods for that. So that's the whole, we are eliminating that eventually here. Now I wonder if I got back what I put into it for the smelter that I took down. I doubt it. That might not be advantageous to do that. Oh, no, I do. I have a smelter right here. Okay. Okay, so now what we need is 2 of these. And then we've got enough stuff already. We don't need any more of that. Excellent. Oh, we got 3 of them because it basically took it straight out. I could probably be a lot more efficient with what I'm doing there. I'm sure that I can. But it is what it is. We're going to go this way, like so. We start that process. Yay, we did it! And that will probably end your usefulness. Okay, so we got all that's cleaned out. Yep, so we're good. Now, I want to extend this considerably. We have 22 right now, and I can make 9 more? Really? Oh yes, each one is 10. That will be plenty for now. Something like that. And then we're going to put more, more out front. Because I don't like falling off. Something like that. And then we will make another one of these. There and there. And then we need to make another 2 of those. That will be 2 actually, once that's done. One there, and then, oh, no, we don't need any more of that. Excellent. Now we're cooking. Now we are cooking. Okay. The other thing I was kind of interested in was here you can do crates. So what I could do maybe is pull it off the backside and stack it into a crate. Anyway, I like that idea. But I don't want to get ahead of myself here. Okay, so let's see. What do we got here? We got somebody that we can place. You. What is that? I'm going to put you over here. Maybe like here? Yeah, we'll go here.
Welcome to the ground C3BB. We have activated this emergency beacon because we are having trouble communicating with Mission Command. Critical damage on the Mission Command space station, you say? Spontaneous explosive disassembly. That's extremely troubling. What now? Are we trapped here? That aligns with our disaster contingency protocol. C3BB, initiate a thorough analysis of the incident. We'll integrate your extended blueprint archive with our research servers and construct a self-sufficient manufacturing facility capable of providing emergency aid.
Oh, not enough.
You're right. We need a machine that is able to craft common items. I'm glad you have the blueprint stored. Let's go ahead and research the assembler.
Okay. You are no longer workable here. So we're going to turn you off. We're going to put you over here. Right there. Better. A little more out of the way. All these are full now, hey? I kind of want to get the output going to storage. So, how much do we have of that stuff? We got a lot of it. We got a lot of plate. We don't have any of this other stuff over here. Grab all that. Grab all that. And grab all that. Okay. Problem is, are they going to be able to access all that? I think I actually made this wrong. If you guys know more about this than I do, and you probably do if you're watching it, I probably should have made it like surrounding it, but not actually covering it. Yeah, I don't know. Because they don't seem to have access to it now. Anyway, maybe it's fine. Yes, we can do some research in a minute. We will do research in a minute. But right now, I'm interested in this here. Let's see. A lot more of these. Oh, I can right click for 5s, right? I might have to come out too, eh? And then we make these guys. Oh, loaders. Those are, no, it should be okay. 3. We're going to try it. We're going to try it just in case. It might work, it might not. And then we're going to need a crate. No, I don't think that'll work. I think this is just a one-off kind of thing where I can throw some stuff in here. Yeah. Okay, gotcha. It's not a real storage. Okay. Well, that's interesting though. So to do this, the assembler, we need 5 science packs. And that shouldn't be a problem to do. We can do 27 currently. They take a little bit of time to make. That's okay. Okay. So now, now we've got a fair amount of supplies here. I'm going to make more of this. All right. So what do we got? We have almost got them all. Yeah, I can see how you'd really want to automate the production of your science packs and bring them into here. But we're going to need an assembler for that, I think. How are we doing for power over here? 28. And over here, 24. Research complete. $100. Visit that guy. Okay, what's your deal?
Great. The assembler will serve as the foundation for mass producing the most commonly required items. Gone are the days of handcrafting. C3BB has been able to establish a limited connection to the space station and will try to extract useful information. Meanwhile, we should focus on scaling up.
Okay. What's your deal? Science Pack 2?
Right. For more advanced research, we need to increase our material science knowledge. Our goal should be to develop a more advanced science pack, but don't underestimate the worth of the other blueprints. Early analysis indicates that mission control has already been gone for quite some time, so I don't think we're in a rush.
Okay. So there's no more active queues for assisting. You're kind of on your own now, are you? Okay, so let's take a look here. We've got assembler. Okay. What would I be assembling? I guess science packs? Could do that. But what I'd really like to have is some sort of a storage location. Let's take a look here. Science pack 2. There's science pack 2. Inventory size increase. What do we got over here? Basic infrastructure. Container. This is what I want to do. Basic infrastructure. We're going to start our research on that. We just need to make some science packs here. Yeah, because I want to start gathering this stuff now. The other thing we're going to need is new power, because that's too manual. Yeah, so we're going to need to come off the backside here. On the other one as well. But power is a problem, eh? Unlocks logistic container, a storage building that can be automated with loaders and crafting belts. It is a prerequisite for additional infrastructure unlocks. But I think that we can confidently go off the backside here. So we want to place these guys like so, and so, and so. And then we want to place some of these. Okay, and I don't want that to be intake, I want it to be output. Perfect. And then we want to do the exact same thing over here. This is pretty intuitive, which goes against what I was saying before, but okay, we got some research that is triggered there. There, and there. And then we're going to go with these. There, 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 there. And then we also want to convert you, and convert you. Awesome sauce. Okay, what's your deal, buddy?
Okay, math genius. If it takes 8 small smelters to fill up a conveyor belt, then we'll build 8 for each metal ore.
Huh? No, we won't, but we may eventually do that. That's not my experience, actually. That is definitely not my experience. Logistics container. Should I make room for 8? I don't like the idea, actually. Wow, they said 8, hey? That wasn't my experience. It seemed like the fourth one couldn't keep up. So I'm not going to play that game. I'm going to make one of these. I'm not even sure quite what this building does. Logistics container. Oops, I don't want another one. I'm gonna put you down there. We're gonna experiment here a little bit. And we're gonna make another. We're gonna need couple of those. Like so. And then we'll throw in some more of these. Like so. And that's just going to fill up with that stuff. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Let's do that same thing right here. And we need one of these. Like so. And the last two of these things. Like so. There. Wonder how much this can contain. All right. Well, that's good. Now you wanted me to do this other thing. Let's check out our interface here. That's just storage. Assembler, we haven't made an assembler yet though, right? Yeah. Okay, that could be a thing. And let's say, well, let's just check this out here. Basic infrastructure, lights, so conveyor belt balancer, decor, logistics container 2. Container. What's this? Large container to store items. This version cannot be automized with loaders and conveyors. Well, that doesn't seem like that would be of any use. Character improvement. Huh. Okay. Okay, so in order to make... So let's just take a look at this here. Machinery parts. So I guess machinery parts we could come off of. Ah, I see. Yes, 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 yes. I get it. So now we need machinery parts coming off of this. But plates. So we actually need storage of plates. Interesting. Because we're going to need plates for other stuff. So if I just draw off of this for machinery parts, we'll try it. We'll try it here. Power is what I see as being a problem, a big problem. There it is. Burner generator. Right. Unlocks a larger low voltage generator which can be automated and is also likely more efficient. While the burner generator can burn biomass, it's advised to automate the process by using ignium ore mined by drone miners. Gotcha. Okay, we're going to research this. We need 15 of these science packs though. So, prior to doing that, we need to automate the process of this. So we need machinery parts and rods. So, yeah, this is going to be interesting. If we want to make a whole bunch of these, we need all that crap. Let's make a batch of that. A goodly batch. Maybe I could just, no, because that's gonna grab everything, isn't it? I think it probably will grab everything. So we'll experiment. I think it's important to experiment here. Get a bunch of those. Yeah, we're gonna run into troubles pretty quick, I think. And then we're going to need an assembler. Well, I think we have come to the conclusion of our first episode. I've gone actually way over. We're just going to do this one thing. Place you. Oh wow, you're not small, are you? Panel is there. We're going to put you. We'll put you out here just for now. Why not? Okay. And then we're going to go and pump these guys. Let's go here. Sure. More of an experiment than anything. Like so. Intake. Okay. Assemble configuration. We want to make these guys, and then we want to output them and put them into another logistics container here. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt to have to go build these little connect loaders. I might be able to do something like that though. We'll see. No building. Okay, so we can't do it that way. Good to know. Okay. But we could do it this way, couldn't we? Why not? There. So now we're storing that. That's something. That's a little something anyway. We've still got lots of these. Like, It's actually going up slightly. So, okay, we have to stop though. This is just really long episode. Apologies for that. Anyway, well, thanks for watching. If you're considering watching another, click the I like this button, leave a comment, and what the heck, if you haven't done so already, why not subscribe? And if you have, well, thank you very much. I very much appreciate it. Please share and enjoy, and hopefully we will see you next time in Foundry. So long.